me and Daddy took me to dinner, and we went in a really tall restaurant, and when you get to the top, it spins around, and you can see the whole city.
Wow.
Yeah.
I go on that too.
You want to go there too?
Yeah.
And Daddy said, I love you, Mommy. Kissy, kissy, kissy. Like that.
Don't like my date.
What did you do?
I play
Where did you sleep over?
a cabbage house.
You did? Did you go to Brandy's house? You didn't go play at Brandy's house?
Uh-huh.
What did you do?
I'm going your car?
You want my car?
Yeah.
Did you see Roxy?
Yeah.
Was she a good girl?
Yeah. I wear her too.
She wore some suit?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. And did you sleep at Grandma's house?
Yeah.
Did you sleep over at Grandma's house?
Oh no.
Uh-huh. Grandma said, and then you got up and got in Grandma's new car and rode all the way here?
Yeah. I got my four-wheeler. I do one.
You did? Did you go fast?
No.
Was it scary?
No.
What did you do? Show me how you did it.
I put a hair on, and the toilet go like this. Like that.
Oh my goodness, are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow, that's awesome.
And that go like that. Darling. Hello. Here, hi, buddy. That go.
Wow.
That go a doctor, and that go
What?
on her.
Huh? I want to see you. Kinda. Hey,
Mom.
Mommy missed you. I missed.
You want to go further that bike?
Yeah,
Okay.
let's go see it.
Okay.